Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use QuickBooks Online for beginners in 2024. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting software that helps small businesses manage their finances, track expenses, and stay organized. To get started, you need to sign up for a QuickBooks Online account by visiting the official website and selecting the plan that suits your business needs. Once you have signed up, you will receive an email with a link to activate your account. After activating your account, you will be taken to the QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you can see an overview of your business finances. The dashboard is divided into different sections, including the navigation menu, company overview, and recent transactions. The first step in setting up QuickBooks Online is to set up your company information, including your business name, address, and tax identification number. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner and selecting Company Settings. Next, you need to set up your accounts, including your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. You can do this by clicking on the Banking tab and selecting Add Account. Once you have set up your accounts, you can start tracking your expenses by clicking on the Expenses tab and selecting Add Expense. You can also track your income by clicking on the Income tab and selecting Add Income. In addition to tracking expenses and income, QuickBooks Online also allows you to manage your invoices, bills, and payments. You can create invoices by clicking on the Invoices tab and selecting Create Invoice. You can also track your bills by clicking on the Bills tab and selecting Create Bill. To ensure that your financial data is accurate and up to date, it is essential to reconcile your accounts regularly. You can do this by clicking on the Banking tab and selecting Reconcile. Finally, QuickBooks Online provides a range of reports that can help you gain insights into your business finances. You can access these reports by clicking on the Reports tab and selecting the report you want to view. In conclusion, QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting software that can help small businesses manage their finances and stay organized. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up and use QuickBooks Online to track your expenses, income, and financial transactions, and gain valuable insights into your business finances.